Phinde ke mbukele emakhaya ngikwamukele ke ohlelweni lwethu ke ihlongandlebe show kanti ke futhi lolu hlelo ke kuleli hora lesikhombisa nithulelwa uNozipho Mkhize. Mphakathi wase South Africa kubika ukuthi siyanda isibalo sezakhamuzi zaseningizimu Afrika eseziphumele obala zichaza phela ukuthi uSomizi Mhlongo ulokhu ebavakashela emaphusheni bathi abamazi akaze bahlangane naye bagcina ngokumbona ku TV kodwa ke uyakwazi ukuthi ebavakashele ebusuku uma sebelele azange ke mphakathi bachaze kabanzi ukuthi uma bavakashela ke kube sekwenzekani. Sizocela ke ongoti nochwepheshe ke kwezomoya kanye nezinyanga nabathandazi beke besichazele kabanzi ukuthi kungani iqulu labantu base South Africa beloku beqhubekile njalo bebona uSomizi emaphusheni. Ake mbukele emakhaya ngibonge ke ezangane lihora siphinde sihlangane futhi ngokuzayo ake ngithi nje okumhlophe.
And of course, there we have it as we are featuring what this woman had to say about the Somgaga, the Somizi. But before we get into today's topic, please, guys, subscribe. We're almost there. Click the subscription button if you do love this content. I can see you guys are liking the video, but please do subscribe. Anyway, let us get into today's conversation. But before we do, disclaimer, guys, we post these videos to open your eyes. If you refuse to open your eye, then there's nothing that we can do, honey. There's nothing that we can do because we're trying to send a message out there to say life is spiritual. Stop defending the celebrities under the comment section because you don't know them, you don't even sleep with them. Do you understand? That's the message that we are trying to send to you guys. Anyway, let's go back to the video and what this woman said about Somizi allegedly. Somizi has a demon that sucks other celebrities, celebrities' luck and fortune in order for Somizi to remain rich, says Nota. If you recall, and the music pause, there was a point where, not a point because when it comes to Nota always speaks about Somizi. Like Nota always exposes Somizi. And I'm shocked that even now people are still defending, Somizi. Guys, you have to understand that Nota and Somizi know each other. And when it comes to Nota knows every single secret that is happening in the music industry or the entertainment industry. He knows all of it. That's the reason why Umegji hired him. So Nina, between Unota and a random prophet, who would you believe between the two? I would go with Unota because Nota knows many things that are happening in this industry, and Nota is trying to tell you something. But anyway, let me quickly read this comments. I had a dream about him and now I'm always broke. Oh, Standa Swam. He used to say, Mam Kize, my friend, are they still friends? I don't think they're still friends. Even if maybe they're still friends, I don't think it's still genuine because we used to see them, together with their Gucci bags, with their LV bags, like flaunting their money on social media. But since Mam Kize went broke, no. Mam Kize didn't go broke spiritually. No. But since Mam Kize went broke according to social media, they are no longer hanging out together. But anyway, asazi ke abanye, they went to the extent of taking the likes of who's that guy name? Who's that guy? The guy who's got a beautiful voice. Oh, damn. Vusi Nova. I saw many people commenting under the comment section. They're busy tagging Vusi Nova. They're tagging Sweet Guluva. They're taking many celebrities. And if you dive into it, if you dive into Vusi Nova's life, you would see, guys, they are no longer hanging together. Like, they're no longer, like, I'm not even sure if they're still friends, because from where I'm standing, I don't think they are still friends because they're no longer hanging out together, guys. And we know Vusi Nova and Somizi used to be best buddies, guys. They used to cook for each other. They used to hang out with each other. Korbo, guys, they used to hang out together, not each other. It's lungu, ha ha ha. Anyway, guys, they are no longer close from what I gathered on social media, because after this video, I did go to their profiles just to check if maybe people are saying, if maybe what people are saying is the truth or not. But anyway, yeah, man, do comment down below. But so Mrs. Demon is going around visiting people in their dreams, and once Mrs. Ghost visit you in your dream, just know that you will never have money again. You will be broke forever. That's what people are saying allegedly under the comment section. And Unota, guys, just watch the music pause. Just watch the music pulse. I know you guys say he's annoying. You guys say he's Mr. Gucci Tushi. He thinks he knows it all. But let me tell you, this guy knows exactly what he's talking about. This guy is trying to tell us something. This guy is always trying to tell us something, even if it's not even about Somizi. This guy is always trying to tell us something about the entertainment industry. So don't envy them. Don't envy them. Don't envy them, guys. Most of the celebrities have sold their souls to the devil, and unfortunately, they've sold their souls to the devil. Kodwa asijaji. Asijaji, guys. If now uyafuna, you can go and join. If now uyafuna, also just go and join Tina's Judge, yes. Tina's Judge. But anyway, do comment and tell me what you think about this, and I'll definitely come back with another video. So this one, have a lovely day. Bye.